In photography, every click of the shutter tells a story. But the stories behind those images often remain untold. Stories about messing up, facing harsh feedback, and never giving up. Welcome to Photographer's Path, a new series that delves deep into the heart and soul of the creative process. In this series, we embark on a transformative journey through the highs and lows of creative photography. We will examine our challenges, the criticism that can shake our confidence, and how self-care and self-discovery can elevate our craft. Let's begin with a topic that might make some of you uncomfortable, but is essential for growth: failure. Let's face it, nobody likes to fail. But here's the thing: every great photographer you admire has met failures. It's part of the process and a sign that you are pushing your boundaries and trying new things. So let me start by sharing my experience with failure. A few years ago, I visited a local park to experiment with a new ICM technique I discovered online. I had seen stunning photos created by this specific approach and was eager to try it. I arrived at the park early one morning, armed with my camera and a sense of excitement. The sun began rising, casting a warm glow over the landscape. I found a beautiful scene, a serene pond, surrounded by lush trees. It seemed like the perfect place to try out my newly founded technique. I set up my camera and started to experiment. I moved the camera according to instructions, trying to capture the tranquil essence of the scene. After a few attempts, I reviewed the images on the camera's LCD screen, and my heart sank. They were a blurry mess, lacking the artistic charm I had seen online. In that moment, I felt disappointment and frustration wash over me. I had high hopes for this outing, and it seems like I had failed miserably. But rather than letting this failure consume me, I made a conscious decision to learn from it. I took a deep breath, adjust my camera settings, and try again. And again, and again, and again. With each attempt, I experimented with different camera movements, shutter speeds, and angles. It wasn't easy, and there were moments where I questioned my abilities as a photographer. But then, after numerous tries, it happened. I captured a mesmerizing ICM image that perfectly conveyed the tranquility and beauty I envisioned. It was a shot that made all the failures and setbacks worth it. That experience taught me that failure is not a dead end, it's a detour on the path to improvement. Think about it. Every time you stumble, you learn something new. It's like adjusting your focus to get the perfect shot. When you review your work and identify what didn't quite work, you are gaining valuable insights. Failure is like a tough but wise teacher. It shows you what doesn't work and guides you towards what does. When a photo doesn't turn out as expected, use it as a guide for improvement. And ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What adjustments can I make next time? Failure can also be a tool to silence that inner critic. Instead of letting self-doubt take over, focus on the lessons you gain from your failures. Shift the conversation in your mind from "I can't do this" to "I can learn from this." You build resilience and confidence each time you face a failure and bounce back. With every setback, you are one step closer to mastering your craft and achieving your photography goals. In a world that often showcases only the successes, Remember that every journey is paved with victories and failures. So embrace every misstep as an opportunity to grow, learn, and evolve. So, what's your story of turning failure into success? Drop your insight in the comments and let's learn and grow together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more photography tips. See you next time!